Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something truly unique and eye-catching. The all-new 2025 electric tricycle camper from Connect North. This compact, futuristic-looking three-wheeler is built for urban explorers and off-grid adventurers alike. And I've got to say, it's one of the coolest micro-mobility vehicles we've reviewed so far. Right off the bat, let's talk design. The 2025 model sports a sleek, rounded exterior that feels like a blend between a modern EV and a high-end capsule hotel on wheels. It features a two-tone color scheme, cream on top and teal on the lower half, giving it a retro meets futuristic vibe. The LED headlights and sharp body lines scream premium. Now stepping inside, this thing really surprises you. Despite its compact frame, the cabin feels open and well lit thanks to large panoramic windows and skylights. The white leather seats are plush and ergonomic. You're not sacrificing comfort here. Up front, there's a minimalistic dashboard with a central digital display, giving you all the essentials: speed, battery level, navigation, and even climate controls. Let's talk features. The Connect North Trike Camper includes a built-in solar charging array, onboard Wi-Fi, and a smart assistant to manage your journey. There's enough room in the back for a small sleeping area, which converts into seating during the day. It's cozy but ideal for one or two people on the move. As for performance, this electric trike boasts a top speed of 45 mph and a range of up to 150 miles on a single charge, perfect for short road trips or daily commuting. The electric motor is whisper quiet, and handling feels stable thanks to its low center of gravity and wide rear stance. It's nimble in tight spaces, but still gives you the confidence of a much larger vehicle. So, who is this for? Honestly, it's ideal for digital nomads, eco-conscious travelers, or city dwellers looking for an alternative to traditional RVs or vans. It's not meant for massive road trips with the whole family, but for solo or couple travel. This trike camper hits the sweet spot between mobility and livability. To wrap it up, the 2025 Connect North electric tricycle camper is a game changer in the micro camper world. It's stylish, smart, efficient, and surprisingly comfortable. If you're looking to simplify your travels without sacrificing tech and comfort, this could be the ride for you. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more future-forward vehicle content, and drop a comment below letting us know where you'd take this futuristic camper on its first trip. Catch you in the next one.